This review is of Deep Recipes of South India, hot and crunchy, extra spicy mix of crispy chickpea noodles, peanuts, and rice flakes. And I don't think there's anything special. It is a product of India, and that makes me a little bit nervous because Indians are not famous for having good hygiene in the kitchen. Alright, so here is the blurb. And there are the nutrition facts and ingredients. Now when I smell it, it smells very boring. It smells kind of like, I don't know, I guess like the main ingredients, which are chickpea flour, palmolene oil, corn flour, rice flour. Okay, so yeah, now please keep in mind that a third of a cup contains 160 calories, so that's huge. 9 grams of fat, of which 4 are saturated, also not good. Cholesterol 0, but there's 100 milligrams of sodium in 1/3 of a cup, and 17 grams of carbs, of which only 2 are dietary fiber. There's also 3 grams of protein. You will be getting sugar from the corn flour, rice flakes, corn flakes, a little bit from the peanuts, and definitely the chickpea flour. So it says hot and spicy. Now I'm gonna try it again because I already tried it before I did this video. So as far as I can tell, the people who make this product are extremely sensitive. Oh, sorry, not hot and crunchy, not hot and spicy, to spiciness. For me, there is no spiciness. There is a little bit of an aftertaste from the asafoetida, whatever that is. But I don't find this a pleasant snack. There's a little burning in the back of my throat, which that could be the hot part, but it's very mild. Definitely, it is crunchy, so I'll give him that. But as far as flavor, you know, I would never eat this again. I would never buy it and give it to somebody else unless I hated them. I'm probably going to end up throwing it out. You know, I don't like throwing away food, but the only other alternative is to put it in some other food that I make, and that might ruin it. And also provides a lot of calories that we don't need. So, yeah. I'm going to probably just chuck it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I'll give it a 3.